Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this breathing again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. What would I love? This is always a fun and sometimes helpful question to ask yourself. Asking ourselves this question when we are sad or upset can sometimes help us find the solution to making ourselves feel better. Today, we will be using this question to imagine some of our favorite things. Each time we explore the question, what would I love? You may think of more than one thing in response, and that's okay. In fact, that's great. Start by asking yourself the question in general. What would I love? What is one thing that you would love right now? Anything at all. Now, let's get more specific. Ask yourself, what would I love to be good at? It could be a skill, talent, a subject in school, anything at all. Ask yourself and think of the answer. What would I love to be good at? What would I love to be more of? Would you love to be stronger, faster, more kind, or more brave? What would I love to be more of? What would I love to do? What is something in your lifetime you would definitely like to do, or something that you would love to try? What would I love to do? What would I love to become? Who or what do you want to be when you grow up? What would I love to become? What would I love to have? What is something you would love to own? Let your imagination dream as big as it would like. What would I love to own? What would I love to see? What is something on this planet that you would love to see or experience? Maybe it's a famous building or a famous person. Maybe it's an exciting event. What would I love to see? What would I love to gift? If money didn't matter, what is a special gift you would like to buy for a special person? What would I love to gift? As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.